Hey everyone, I'm Savannah Powles, and my project based on Michael Porter's diamond model is about the technology industry, but more specifically electronics. This presentation is going to show you why China is globally successful in producing and exporting electronics based on Porter's diamond model. The Porter diamond model is framework used in electronics to analyze the competitive advantages of nations. It focuses on things like factor conditions, demand conditions, related and supported industries and firm strategy, structure, and rivalry. China has dominated the global market in electronics for many years. There are a few key reasons why. First, there's strategic planning and a skilled workforce, supply chain advantages, and China's government makes large investments to create and distribute electronics. China has been the most successful country in electronic manufacturing for many years. In 2021, 34% of the world's electronics came from China, and China made a profit of $1.4 trillion profiting off electronics. Many things contributed to China's dominating of the global market. They got started by having a large labor pool with low cost, government investments, and subcomponents. Another reason why China is so successful in the global market is because China has a huge workforce. Their population is about 1.4 billion, and 14% of those are considered skilled workers, which comes out to about 200 million people. And 3.6% of them are considered highly skilled workers, which comes out to about 50 million people. Natural resources in China play a key role in their ability to manufacture electronics. China has the largest reserve of rare earth elements, also known as REE. They are used to create hard drives, flat screen monitors, TV displays, and many other electronic devices. Many countries aren't able to produce as many electronics as China due to their limited rare earth elements. Chinese companies can provide most of the components, like the rare earth elements, needed to make electronics. This makes it simple for them to create and export electronics without relying on other countries for supplies or help. China has trade agreements in place to ensure that they will benefit financially from all exports of electronics. China has original equipment manufacturing and original design manufacturing services. Which brings us to the next slide. China has 17 free trade agreements with trading partners. Some of these include Singapore, New Zealand, Switzerland, Georgia, South Korea, and I have all of them listed here, so I will pause for a second to let everyone read. China has one of the world's best infrastructures. This helped manufacturers not only with just creating the product, but also having somewhere to ship the product. China is home to 4 of the largest seaports in the world, which makes it easy for them to ship out products globally. They also have manufacturing hubs. I have listed 3 below, and they are responsible for producing many of China's global exports. Related industries. The second largest exporter of electronics is Taiwan. In 2021, Taiwan produced 11% of the world's electronics, which still isn't even half of the percentage that China produced in 2021. Even though Taiwan is the second largest exporter of electronics, their economy is still heavily dependent on trade with China. Here are my resources that I have used for the presentation. I've copied and pasted the URL links. Thank you.